Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today, we're taking you inside a truly breathtaking luxury residence that defines elegance, comfort, and modern living at its finest. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a powerful statement with its clean architectural lines, premium materials, and timeless cream, gray, and beige color palette that blends sophistication with warmth. As we begin with a stunning drone day view, you can immediately appreciate the scale and symmetry of this estate. Surrounded by manicured landscaping and bathed in natural sunlight, the property offers an impressive presence that feels both private and welcoming. The exterior design combines modern luxury with classic balance, creating a home that stands out while remaining tasteful and refined. Moving closer, we arrive at the grand entrance gate. Designed with modern steel and glass elements, framed by elegant stone pillars, this gate sets the tone for what lies ahead. The wide driveway leads you smoothly toward the home, offering both security and style. This entrance isn't just functional, it's a statement of exclusivity. Stepping inside through the main entry, you're welcomed by a stunning foyer with high ceilings and an open, airy feel. Natural light pours in, highlighting the marble flooring and subtle gray accents that instantly elevate the space. Every detail here has been carefully selected to create a sense of luxury without feeling overwhelming. From the foyer, we move into the main living room, where comfort meets design. This space features floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the room with daylight and offer beautiful outdoor views. The cream and beige furnishings are perfectly complemented by gray accent walls, creating a calm yet upscale atmosphere. This is the ideal space for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with family. Just beyond the living area is the TV lounge, designed for ultimate comfort and entertainment. With a large wall-mounted screen, plush seating, and soft ambient lighting, this room is perfect for movie nights or watching the big game. The neutral tones continue here, giving the space a cozy yet luxurious vibe. Next, we step into the dining area, where elegance truly shines. The dining table sits beneath a modern chandelier, creating a focal point that feels both stylish and inviting. Whether you're hosting formal dinners or casual family meals, this space is designed to impress while remaining functional. Flowing seamlessly from the dining area is the modern kitchen. Featuring sleek cabinetry in cream tones, a gray marble island, and high-end built-in appliances, this kitchen is both beautiful and practical. It's a dream for anyone who loves cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying a well-designed space. Now let's head to the bedrooms, starting with the luxurious master suite. This room offers a peaceful retreat with soft lighting, elegant finishes, and a comfortable king-size bed. Large windows bring in natural light, enhancing the serene atmosphere. The color palette here promotes relaxation, making it the perfect place to unwind at the end of the day. The bathrooms throughout the home feel like a private spa. With marble walls, modern fixtures, glass showers, and warm lighting, each bathroom offers a sense of calm and indulgence. These spaces are designed to provide comfort while maintaining a high-end aesthetic. For those focused on health and wellness, the home includes a private gym. Outfitted with modern equipment, mirror walls, and large windows, this space allows you to stay active without ever leaving home. One of the most unique features of this property is the indoor swing area. Designed as a relaxing corner, this space adds character and charm, offering a perfect spot to unwind, read, or simply enjoy a quiet moment. Finally, we step outside to the swimming pool area. Surrounded by elegant decking and lounge seating, the pool complements the home's exterior design perfectly. This outdoor space is ideal for entertaining, relaxing, or enjoying sunny days in complete privacy. To top it all off, the home features a spacious garage, designed to accommodate multiple vehicles while maintaining the same luxury standards seen throughout the property. Clean finishes, ample space, and smart design make it both practical and impressive. This residence is more than just a house, it's a lifestyle. Every room, every detail, and every finish has been thoughtfully designed to offer modern luxury, comfort, and timeless style. Thank you for watching another exclusive tour on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next dream home tour.